Numbers, place value. What is an abacus? An abacus is an instrument with which we can count numbers and understand the place value of each digit in a number. An abacus has spikes depending on the number of digits in a number. To count a 2-digit number, we use a 2-spike abacus. To count a 3-digit number, we use a 3-spike abacus. The digits are represented using beads. In a 2-spike abacus, the spike on the right side denotes digits at ones place, and the spike which is on the left side denotes digits at tens place. For example, the number 5 is represented with 5 beads at the ones place. The number 26 is represented using 2 beads at tens place and 6 beads at ones place. In a 3-spike abacus, the spike on the leftmost side denotes digits at hundreds place. For example, the number 215 is represented with 2 beads at hundreds place, 1 bead at tens place, and 5 beads at the ones place. Let us see how to count numbers in an abacus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Counting in the same manner, if we skip count in tens, then 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.